Welcome to the Center of Excellence in Youth Mental Health, a pioneering research facility dedicated to understanding and improving the mental well-being of young people. This institution not only focuses on research, but also on shaping the next generation of clinicians, researchers, and the community for a better future. One of our key initiatives is Bloom, a comprehensive initiative focused on behavioral development, long-term outcomes, and opportunities to optimize youth mental health trajectories. Bloom aims to better understand the onset of mental health issues among young people, with the ultimate goal of preventing mental illness and ensuring that specialized care is accessible at the right time. At the core of Bloom, scientists collect data to create a complete picture of each participant's mental health journey, including information about their daily lives, factors influencing their well-being, and biological samples like blood, saliva, and cheek swabs. The collaboration with GA International has been crucial in supporting the center's mission by streamlining the labeling and organization process. The Bloom research team relies on LabTAG's premium cryogenic labels to ensure each biological sample is clearly identified and tracked, allowing the center to focus on identifying biomarkers that could help pinpoint young people at higher risk for mental health disorders, rather than spending time resolving identification issues. Each sample is barcoded with key details such as a unique identifier, collection date, and sample volume. Using color-coded labels further improves visibility, making it easier to differentiate between sample types and quickly locate the correct one. LabTAG's durable labels ensure proper organization, preventing errors even in extreme cold storage, and enabling the management of thousands of samples without mix-ups. With many of our samples stored for years before analysis, proper identification at the point of collection is crucial. GA International's support has been essential in mitigating complications and eliminating uncertainty regarding sample identification and the validity of our results. Together, we are advancing research and working toward a future where young people can access the care they need before mental health issues take hold.